This is Alex from MovinsEdition. This posting is a Lace-Up sneakers from the Stefanorossi brand as an item for men. It is a men's sneakers made of cowhide and has a soft leather and unique outsole design. This item is recommended for men to wear in suits or casual shoes. A simple black color designed with cowhide. It's a man's shoe that goes well with any outfit. The logo of a per part. That's fancy. Your sneakers are meant for more than just the gym these days. From lifestyle to the red carpet to sports, nowadays your sneakers can be an expression of yourself. Lows, chucks, kicks, whatever you call them, the basic sneaker is the most versatile casual sneaker you can buy. They work well with denim, chinos, and shorts of pretty much any color and shade. Where we find guys sometimes get a little stuck with these types of sneakers is when they wear them to smart casual events or to work when a dress shoe is required. Outsole has a contrasting black upper. Clean white. Stefanorossi signature. Brilliant design. This is sneakers for men. This is Stefanorossi brand's Lace-Up sneakers. It is a men's sneakers made of cowhide and has a soft leather and unique outsole design. This item is recommended for men to wear in suits or casual wear as daily shoes. I recommend this shoes for men who like sneakers.